helping people is where he belongs. They whisper a nickname when his name comes around. The search authority, that's the respect he has found. Not a
All right, everybody, it's Teamcast Search Theory, and we're going through step 2 of our my tech stack. Now, something I want to keep in mind with y'all is you're going to see red, and then you're going to see some black things there. And the black things are basically backups. So before we get into the second one of the sourcing research category, I want to just kind of call it. Seek Out is a great sourcing tool. Highly recommend it. As for me, it's a backup. I like Sourcing Links and Job and Cloud, but Seek Out is another tool. And we will deal with these others as we get to them, because you have, sourcing, we'll do it real quick. So Swordfish has a sourcing capability. It's not just contact finding. Heartbeat, if it's medical, great tool. And then, of course, our alt of Seek Out, and then Numero, which also has a sourcing component. So with that, let's go to my next main thing in my tech stack. These are the main things, and that's quite simple. Sourcing Links. It's my tool. Not gonna, full disclosure, it can do so many things, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up the version that you would see, and everything. Actually, and we're doing a big update to it. So I'm going to go this way. This is the search engine beast. The idea behind this tool is not magic. It's simple. Make it so you don't have to search all over the place and copy and paste or retype things over and over and over again to find things. So you go, populate all, and there you go. That's what you get. Search engines. You get email addresses. You want to validate an email? Pop in an email. I'll pop in one of mine, and here you go. It'll validate. If I open Google, Google's going to show it's me. If you don't want to believe in Google, go to Hunter. Go to wherever. You want to find contact info? No problem. Put in the name. We're going to pick on Dean because Dean likes picking on himself. Populate all. Pick where you want to search. If we go to the very first one, True People, I'm right there. And my email and phone number are there. We're doing quick. Username. We're humans. We're creatures of habit. You got to use a name. You probably use it over and over again. You probably have an email associated with it, and that's all this is about. I'm going to stick one in here. I'm going to put *4343, populate all, come down here to search, email search 1. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and email search 1 is going to open up and find, pre-populates the username with Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. There are 4 different ones. They make up all 31 of the top free email domains that 99% of all people use humans. Robot. But this one just validated me. Easy peasy, beautiful cover girl. Telephone numbers just helps you validate the phone number, make sure it's legit. Image searches is real simple. You can use an image URL or just type in a name. It'll find the images that go to the name or other images like the one that you typed in, and you'd be surprised what you get from an image. In fact, you know what? Let's just go ahead and do this. We're going to just put in Dean and Da Costa, populate all. We'll do Google for now, and voila, most of these pictures are me, and they connect to sites which will have my other information. Documents. These are document searches. These are so cool because they're pre-constructed. Put in the word resume, populate all. We'll pick on PDFs, and you'll notice it's already got the extension thing there, Java developer resume, and look at all those resumes of Java developers. I pick on Java developer a lot. I'm sorry about that. Pasting sites. They're online text editors. Locations. Put in the you just simply put in the address and go. The reason why it's important, because if you put in this address and check some of these, you're going to find people's phone numbers, emails, everything. In fact, Hometree's got my unlisted phone number. Figure that one out. This is where you do your research on a company. We will pick on Expedia. You're going to populate all, decide what you want to do, where you want to go, everything. I tend to pick on org charts a lot because I just like picking on, and org charts. We're going to move on. You get to find out how much they make, if they're going to have layoffs. If they're going to do layoffs, here's where you'll spend the majority of your time. This, the business and the real names, is where you'll spend most of your time. This is the searching. There are well over 300 pre-constructed strings sitting here ready to go to find whatever it is you would like to find. We will pick on JavaDub again because I can populate all. I'm just going to show you one on LinkedIn that I have here, which is pretty cool. I'm just going to Control F linked to find it. This one will find you Java developers who's got an email address sitting right there in their profile. This will find you the one of people who are open to work. They are incredibly awesome and can do a lot of things. This one will find you people who use the email symbol to tell you they have an email, the phone symbol, and so on and so forth. Incredible. There are videos more in depth on my YouTube channel and on here under help that can explain it to you. Custom search engines, pretty neat and simple. Custom search engines. Diversity sourcing, international sourcing, sites and tools that you might be interested in, Boolean tools to include a Boolean builder, built in extensions you might find interesting, word lookups in case you don't know what something means or you want to find out what the synonyms are, salary and relocation information, work email, gets you the work email format so you know first name dot last name or what have you. Medical and veterinary, it's for lions and tigers and bears and doctors and nurses and blah blah, blah. Legal sourcing, some ChatGPT tools, pretty much some prompt generators, and then you can open up to other ChatGPT tools where you can use the prompts, and that's pretty much it. That's what tools. Now keep in mind, this is the old one. There's an update coming that's huge. That's going to make it even better. It's $50 a month for the highest end. It's $5 for the lowest end. There is a free version. So there you go. And that's it. That is where we are going to end for this particular one today, because that's the last one of these, of the 2 paid tools. And we have already fit, and because of it, we have also done research, competitive intel, sourcing, and we also would include enhancement, which is finding contact info. The way I use it is simple. I do whatever sourcing I'm going to do anywhere. If I do it in Jobin, great. If I find it somewhere else, I'll scrape it, stick it into Jobin. Jobin will do what it does, and whatever it doesn't do, my tool does. It's always good to have 2 tools that can do similar things because they go down. I mean, AWS is going down, Cloudflare is going down. Got to be able to do your job. So that's the idea behind it. All the rest of the tools are 100% free, and I will go through them one at a time exactly the way it looks right here. The next one up, we'll be talking about scraping. My name is Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. May the source be with you.